Welcome to Ugly Truck.
Welcome to Ugly Truck.
Welcome to Ugly Truck.
Welcome to Ugly Truck. Welcome back to the 78 K5 Blazer. It runs, but it does not run good. You're in big trouble because I got a whiteboard this week, so
it was a great opportunity to learn, and I appreciate you guys coming along with me.
put your learning hats on because you're gonna learn some things. An engine is basically an air pump. You add fuel and spark to drive that air pump.
Nobody died, nothing's on fire, and the engine's not making any worse noises than when we started, so sweet.
I'd really love to see it running nice.
Welcome back to Everything Smells Like Gas Forever. I'll be your host for this evening.
I promise we will get it running good at some point.
We'll have plenty more videos on this. If you guys like what you see, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the little bell and you'll get a notification when we upload our next video. And thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time.